Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sandeepa Biswas and I am going to discuss Lorenz curve in this video. On this whiteboard we can see a square and the bottom line of this square is showing the percentage of income recipients or the population of any country. The vertical axis of this figure is showing the percentage of income that this population is earning. And now we can see the OY line, this line of equality. It is a straight line and it is showing that on this line every single point is showing that a particular percentage of population is earning the same percentage of national income. That means on this line of equality the income distribution of the country is perfectly equal. Every person is getting equal amount of national income. So now we can see the Lorenz curve. The blue line over here is showing the Lorenz curve, and this Lorenz curve is showing the unequal distribution of national income. How? We will see that. If we consider the point A on this Lorenz curve, it is showing that 10% of the population is getting only 4% of total national income. If we consider point B on this Lorenz curve, we can see that 30% of the population is getting only around 10% of the national income. Similarly, on point C, we can see that 70% of the population is getting only 40% of the national income. And now, if we move further ahead on this Lorenz curve to the right, we see that 90% of the population is getting 70%. But if we measure the gap from C to D, which means at the point C, 70% of the population is getting 40%, and from now 30% of the income, that is from 40 to 70% of the income, is earned by this 20% of the population, and further above this 30% of the national income is earned by the top richest 10% of the population. We have seen that as the national income grows, the population or the income recipients percentage will decrease. That means the top richest percent of the country is very low, are very few. So we have seen the Lorenz curve, and these percentages are cumulative in nature, and the Lorenz curve can never be above this line of equality, because this section of the Lorenz curve is showing the bottom poor population of the society. If the Lorenz curve will be above this line curve, it will show that say like here, like this point, at this point 10% of the population will earn around 30% of the, around 30 to 28% of the national income. So they will be no longer poor population of the society. So the very assumption of the Lorenz curve will be proved wrong. So here is the interpretation of Lorenz curve in this small video. I hope you liked the video, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe it if you liked it. So thank you.